Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place and starting the cast now. You must be on the same Wi-Fi as the TV or dongle. This allows devices to discover each other. Open the app you want to cast from or pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. Once you see the list of devices, select the correct device name. If prompted, accept on the TV. Doing this starts the session and hands off playback control to the larger screen. Once casting begins, you'll manage how content plays and looks. Use your phone to play, pause, seek, and adjust volume, but remember some apps hand control to the TV remote, so check both. If video stutters, make sure you're on a less congested band, like 5 GHz, or reduce stream quality in the app. This lowers bandwidth and smooths playback. If you chose screen mirroring instead, expect more latency and extra battery drain, so plug in the phone when mirroring long sessions. To end, stop casting from the app's cast icon or the quick settings toggle. This returns playback to your phone. If the device never appeared or the connection drops, restart the phone, reboot the TV or dongle, and try again. This clears temporary network hiccups. Make sure the TV and router aren't on a guest network or using strict firewall settings because those block discovery. If nothing helps, reconnect both devices to the same network and then attempt the cast one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.